the one head is here and this head is here. I'm gonna be adding the drawing in between those two heads, but the heads are kind of far apart. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring these heads closer to each other and just in between while they're closer, and then put them back in their place. I'll copy this, Control V to paste, copy this, move it over, and then I'll turn on my onion skin so I could see the drawing before, and then I'll place this very close to it. So now when I go back and forth, it's not a big jump, and I can start adding my drawing in between. I'll even grab my rough in between and I'll move that over and place it in between the two drawings, and then I'll use that as my guide to in between. Then I'll grab the new drawing, bring it over and put it on top of the old rough, and there you go.